discuss section C, question number 15. Let's read the question first. Use the graph provided to answer this question. Sakti Motivation Center will host a motivational camp. Participants of the camp are made up of X female pupils and Y male pupils. The fee for female is Ringgit Malaysia 100, whereby the fee for male pupil is RM120 ringgit. The number of pupils in the camp based on the following constraint. Let's have a look. Right? Let's see. The maximum number of pupils attend the camp is 80. The maximum number of pupils attending the camp is 80. This is number 1. Number 2, the ratio of number of female pupils compared to the male pupils is at least 1:3. And the third one, we have to write the A, we don't have the third one, we have to write inequalities other than this x greater equal 0 and y greater equal 0, which satisfy the two constraints. We have two constraints, so we are lucky. Whenever you see maximum, this is the symbol. Maximum is the same with the at most. Alright, at most and maximum the same. And then whenever you see at least is minimum, right? Okay, so we can just say that let number of female pupils as X and number of male pupils as Y. So let's see, the maximum number of pupils, total number of pupils attending the camp is 80, meaning that we have to take X plus with the Y, and it cannot more than 80. Maximum marks is 100, so we cannot have more than 100 marks. Think like that. Maximum 80, so less than equal 80, can be equal to 80. Okay, the ratio of the ratio of the female, what is female? Female is representing by X ratio to Y. What is Y? Y is represent male pupils. At least use a symbol here. 1:3. So normally for fraction we will convert to ratio, we convert to fraction, we can convert to ratio, right? So now let's write it in fraction. X over Y 1/3. So we always want Y as a subject. Let's cross multiply carefully. That means a Y will go to here, Y will go here, symbol still the same, 3 will go there, right? 3x. So is Y less than equal 3x? So we have to write 3 inequality. The first one is X plus Y less than equal 80, and the second one is Y less than equal 3x. Alright, so let's try to solve the next question. Okay, so we have to, on the graph, construct and shade the region which satisfy all the three constraints. Okay, so we have X plus Y less than equal 80, and we have Y less than equal 3x, and we are going to use a graph to find the solution. Okay, based on the graph, use a graph. Find the minimum number of male pupils. Male is y. What is y? When x, sure they will give you x. Number of female to male pupil is 1 to 1 ratio 3. 1 ratio 3. Alright, so we are going to use a graph later to find how many of them. Okay, then after that we have to find the maximum profit obtained if the school takes 25% of the total fee collected. Okay, so we are going to discuss the profit, okay, using the graph. Now let's go to the graph and then we will solve the solution. Okay, have fun. For the last part of the question, right? Let's see the last part of the question. Alright, this one. The maximum profit obtained if the school takes 25% of the total fee collected. Now let's have a look of the fee collected. The fee for female and male, the fee for female is 100, so we can write 100x. And then the fee for the male, we will plus with 120. Y is equal to the k. And the k is an objective function that we are going to use a graph to determine. Alright, let's have a look how to determine the 100x plus 120y equal to k. Alright, so have fun. Now based on the graph given, we were given the graph, right? So we have to complete the graph using the two inequality that just now we have, which is x plus y, less than 80, and one more is the y less than equal 3x. Okay, so let's we are lucky because the objective function was given. So this one later we will use it to find the maximum fee, right? Okay, so now we need to add on the x plus y equal to 80. So in order to draw the equation x plus y equal to 80, so normally we will draw the simple table like this. When x is 0, what is a y? 80, right? We substitute. When y is 0, what is the x? Is 80, right? So we need 0, 80 and 80, 0. Here, this is 0, 80. And then 80, 0 is here. This is 80, 0, right? So we will draw a straight line for this graph. We'll draw a straight line for this graph by using ruler. So you can place your ruler there and draw. Make sure you put at the point here. Alright, this is 80, and the other point also must be 80. So I'm going to show you how I draw the graph. So let's see, we are having 80, 80, right? So I have to make it smaller. Then I will adjust the ruler. So this is a ruler, 80, 80. So I will have the point that passes through 80 here on the x-axis. Also must have 80, 80, meaning the gradient is 1, right? Negative 1. So I will do like that. Make sure it will go like that. Alright. Alright, so is okay, so make sure it's okay. Let's check. Now the ruler is like that, so we can push the things and have a look. This is 80. Alright, so I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the graph that we are going to draw. So we just draw a straight line down. Again, we use a thicker one. Okay, we are going to draw the straight line. Okay, later we will continue with the, let's draw Okay, now where is the 80? 80 is here, right? So let's continue with that point. It will be overlapping here, right? So make sure it's passes through the 80 here, right? Okay, let's continue with the line that we drawn just now is red color. Alright, so this is x plus y equal to, okay, I have to remove the ruler, plus y equal to 80. Okay, I have drawn the line already, and then make sure the point is exactly. I will draw another line which is y equal to 3x. So for this one, I will draw a table also to find 2 points. So the best point for equation like this is 0 because the y-intercept is 0. And you can use, let's say the x is, we can use any of the value. Let's say x is maybe 10, y will be 30. So we can draw the point here. This is a let me change. Okay, I'm going to use a purple color pen. Alright, so this is 0, 0. This one is not nice. Okay, I'm going to sketch the point here. Green color. Draw the point 0, 0. Alright. Then I want to have the 10 and 30. Where is 10 and 30? Okay, let's move. Okay, 10 is here. 10 and 30 is here. This is 10. Right, this is a point. Is that clear? Let me change the color to very striking color so that you can see. So I'm going to draw the point like this point. So I'm going to put the ruler at that 2 point, exactly on that 2 point, 0, 0 and 10 and 30. So let's draw the line going up. So if 10, 30, then if let's say I have 30, it will go to 90, right? 30 will go to 90, this point. So we can connect using the ruler. Alright, so okay, so that's alright. So I'm having 30. Okay, 60. We have 20, 60 here, right? Alright, so let's further up. Here would be 30, 30 and 90. Okay, so this is y, this is okay. This is y equal to 3x. Alright, so if we want to shade the region, it's below the line, isn't it? Less than. So this is a arrow pointing to the down of the line. This y, this one is y less than 3x, and then this one is x plus y less than 80. So can you see the arrow is pointing like that? So we have the region. So we can shade the region. Let's shade the region. So we have to use a pink color, right? Nice. Okay, we use a pink color. Right? So we shade the region. It's not dark enough. Make it very dark so that it will be very striking. Here, shade. Alright, shade the region. This is the region whereby we can find the solution. Now we want to find what? We want to find the maximum, right? So maximum, we will use this line. I'm going to show you how I push a line. So this is the ruler. This is the ruler. Okay, I'm going to push this, push up. Right? You make, because this is a equation that concerning phi. So what you need to do is you just you just push your graph. That's fantastic. See or not? Okay, actually we are using the concept of many parallel line. Let me show you. I'm going to use what color? Okay, let's use a blue color. We are doing this way is because we are focusing to the many of the parallel line. Okay, let's make it fun. A purple color. Where's the purple color? Alright, this is the purple color. So we are going to shift the line up, you know. When we shift, we just have to shift the graph like that. See, I'm going to shift the graph. See or not? It's actually parallel line. But we want the maximum, you see. We want a maximum. So we will push. This is the objective function. Okay. I keep on push until here. It's still not the maximum yet. The maximum is here. See or not? That is how you do. You push the ruler so that you can draw the parallel line. Yeah, it is there. So this is the corner whereby the maximum point you can highlight like this. Alright, so by right we draw the line to show we push the objective function from here, this one. Just now it was here. We push to the highest of the region and we read out the point, which is 2060, and we will substitute the point 2060 into here. Just now it was K, right? It's K. We are not sure. We are not sure the K. We want to find the K. So we substitute 100 times 20 plus 120 times 60. So that is the maximum. So let's press the calculator. 100 times with the 20 plus 120 times with the 60, and we will get Ringgit Malaysia. So the K is RM9200 is 9,000 plus. 9,000 plus the fee. But according to the question, we have to take how many percent? We will take how many percent? We will take 100 times again. 100 times 20 plus 120 times 60. We will get 9,200. But based on the question is how many percent? You read the question, you will know it's just 25%. So 25% is the answer. So we have to take 9,200 times with the 25%, and you will get the answer, which is equivalent to 2,300. So the solution is, that's right here, is we will take RM 9,200 times 25%, and then the answer is Ringgit Malaysia 2,300. That's all my sharing on linear programming. Okay then, bye bye and have a nice day.